WiOn smart switches from Wood's branded products give you wireless control of home appliances or electronics via your smartphone from anywhere you have a mobile internet connection. Simply download the free app to your phone or tablet, plug the WiOn switch into an outlet, plug the electrical device into the WiOn outlet, activate the switch using the app, and you're ready to take control from anywhere. There's no hub needed, no setup fee, no monthly costs, and no charge for the app. Simply connect to your home's wireless router and you're ready to plug and play. WiOn switches are ready to use right out of the package by simply connecting to your home Wi-Fi router. They're intuitive to program, and you can expand your system to include up to 12 WiOn devices at a time. There are WiOn products for many indoor or outdoor applications, residential or commercial. All WiOn smart switches feature to-the-minute programmable timing and can be set at variable times for weekdays, weekends, or every day with up to 12 on-off settings per day. And they have random settings that give your house that lived-in look, even when you're not there. Built-in sun tracking technology also lets you turn your devices on or off according to the day's sunset or sunrise. There are countless uses for WiOn smart switches. Conserve energy on computers, gaming consoles, and appliances by automatically turning them off during non-use hours. 2 WiOn switches even monitor energy usage with the app, showing you what it costs to operate your electronics. Get peace of mind knowing you can manage plugged-in devices on the go. Turn outdoor holiday lights on from the convenience of your living room or from the office if you're running late. Light up the entryway or garage for added security at times of the year when it gets dark earlier. And only WiOn products include smart switches designed specifically for outdoor use, allowing you to control landscape lights, security lights, holiday decorations, fountains, and more. Turn your home into a smart home with WiOn smart switches.